Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to do this text effect. It is very easy to do, but you can do a lot of cool things with it. Let me just set up the first text layer. And I just did a black fill and a white stroke, 6-point stroke. Let me just align everything. Okay, cool. So first what I'm going to do is bring up the position properties and just have this go like diagonal, and then you see this little circle, or whatever toggle thing you want to call it. What you should do is make it into like a curve. This is very important for this step to, or for this text effect to look good. So just make sure there's a curve. And what we're going to do next is add the echo effect. Just type in echo, and we're going to set the number of echoes to 30. So you see this already starts a bunch of repeated text. What I'm going to do is composite and back. So if you want it to just look like this and stay like this, what I would recommend doing is pre-composing the text layer, Control-Shift-D, exactly where you want the text to stay, and freeze frame. That way you can just keep it like this, and it's transparent, so you can put it wherever you want, and it can just be detail. So you can have the animation. Let me just reset wherever it was. You can have it animate and then stay. Just stay there. Maybe stop it before. Well, you get the idea. But to add multiple layers, I'm just going to delete that. Well, I'm just going to Control-Z it. So I'm going to offset it and then put the next layer of text. Just bring it down. Oop. I'm actually going to add the transform property, or effect, sorry, and just position it under. And then do the same thing. Just position it a little bit lower. Maybe make it, scale it up a bit. Then you get something cool like that. And you can put this all together. So you get something cool like that, where you could pre-compose all this and Control-Shift-D and time freeze frame it, and you got cool text that you can put like above or just wherever you want to put it. I think it's a cool detail to add to your edits, and you can do a lot of different cool things with this effect. So I recommend playing around with the settings and just seeing what works best for you. But yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you guys next week.